Hello and welcome to Amazing Sensory Designs. Check out our sensory room here for relaxing sensory videos, hammock swing, and a variety of other very comfortable, relaxing, self-regulating experiences. Check out our other sensory room here with social emotional wording and graphic sensory art. Also, we provide a variety of bubble tube options, water or waterless, and sensory projectors of your choice. Also, we provide sensory music, soundscape music. Check out Spike Rebel here. Need a sensory pop-up? Well, we've got you. We can provide sensory pop-ups for any event and any location. Very affordable prices. Check out our sensory gymnasium with fiber octaves, blacklight lighting, and also a variety of sensory graphic art of your choice. Also, we provide sensory rooms in your home. Why not have self-regulation and have sensory experiences in your home? Everyone needs it. Check out our sensory wellness workshops with meditational crystals. We utilize meditational crystals with a variety of visual stimulating type of activities. Great for self-regulation, great for meditation, great for relaxation. Amazing sensory designs. Make sure you visit us.